We're here at a customer's house checking out a dryer vent and came outside, and this is their dryer vent right here. These are better designed for bathrooms, not dryers. They clog up super easy and all that, to the point where they don't allow the airflow to get out properly. And the other thing is the dryer vent is a little too close to their AC unit. It should be closer to 3 feet away from the AC unit. But we're going to see if we can change out this one to protect them from birds or rodents, because we've noticed that there was actually nuts and the mulch and leaves up inside there. So this is a dryer wall vent. It's specifically designed for a dryer. It's nice and flat to the house. One damper, there's magnets on it to prevent it from opening up, and it's extremely hard for birds and rodents to get into it. So hopefully we can get this one on there and protect them from rodents.